just don't like to talk about things that are hard to talk about. I just like to pretend they're not there. I don't know who to be when I'm in here, just like I didn't know who to be back then. And I'm scared that I'm gonna get beat up or say something stupid to the wrong person and get jumped. Like I'm just, yeah. This place is really like it's hell, and it's so much harder than I thought it would be.
Repeat on the other side.
He had it right here, wrapped in here. This is the hiding spot for everything. He burst up against, so I feel it. He said he can make me a good one. So we're trying to figure out a deal. Soups for the shank.
So I see Tony, that whole shake talking and stuff like that. Tony's definitely trying to get shake. So now I gotta step up, get one as soon as I can. How do you get it? Not sure yet, but it's always,
But you pie boss though, what are you talking about? Telling him he can't get his shame, but then he talking about some he pie boss. If you a pie boss, you already know where to get the shit from. What you talking about?
I definitely felt like an outsider in there.
Oh Jesus.
We can't scream for help. You're the help. Happy Mother's Day. We're being psychologically and emotionally abused in this facility.
Girl, you in jail. You ain't got no options. Jesus, you sound. And just shake it until it is completely covered. Bow. Bow.